In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to permanently remove emails you no longer need, free up storage, and keep your mailbox tidy. Start by signing into your Gmail account on your computer. Once you're looking at your inbox, head to the top left corner and click the three horizontal lines. This opens Gmail's main menu, which shows your labels and folders. If your labels list looks short, that's okay. Scroll a little and click More. This expands the full list so you can see everything. Now find and click Trash. In some regions, this may be called Bin, but it's the same place where deleted emails are stored for up to 30 days before Gmail removes them automatically. Opening Trash lets you review what's inside so you don't accidentally lose something important. If you only want to permanently delete a few messages, select them one by one, using the checkbox to the left of each email. Take a moment to scan subject lines and senders before you choose. If you're clearing a lot of messages, use the checkbox at the very top of the list. This selects all emails currently visible on the page. If Gmail shows a banner offering to select all conversations in trash, you can use that if you truly want to remove everything at once. Just be sure you're comfortable with that choice. With your emails selected, look for the Delete Forever button above your message list and click it. This option is only available inside Trash, and it means exactly what it says. Once you proceed, those emails are permanently removed and cannot be recovered. Gmail may ask you to confirm. Click Delete Forever again to finalize the action. The selected messages will disappear from Trash immediately, freeing up space in your account. If you don't see the button, double-check that you're viewing Trash and that at least one message is selected. That's it. You've just deleted messages from Trash and effectively emptied it. As a quick reminder, Gmail automatically empties Trash after 30 days, so if you prefer a hands-off approach, you can simply let Gmail do it. But when you need space right now, these steps give you full control. Before you empty Trash, take a brief moment to confirm nothing important is selected. Once you're sure, those few clicks keep your mailbox lean and your storage under control. Thanks for watching and happy inbox cleaning.